In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common reasons why unit price is not showing in WooCommerce. If you've installed SDP Price per unit for WooCommerce and you don't see the unit price on your products, this is usually caused by a missing configuration. Let's fix it step by step. First, open a product where the unit price is not showing. As you can see, the regular price is displayed, but there is no price per unit. Now click Edit to open the product settings. We'll start by checking the product itself. Scroll down to the product data section. Unit pricing depends on having the required information. For example, if you are using weight, the product must have a weight defined. Here, the weight field is empty. Enter a value here. Now click Update to save the product. Once the product is saved, open the product page again. Now the unit price is displayed next to the main price. So the first and most common issue is missing product data. Now let's check visibility settings. Go back to the product and scroll to the unit pricing settings. Here you can control whether unit pricing is enabled for this specific product. If it is set to follow global settings, then the default configuration will apply. If needed, you can enable unit pricing directly here for this product. Now let's check the global settings. Go to WooCommerce settings and open the price per unit section. Here you define how unit pricing works across your store. Make sure that display is enabled in the locations where you want it to appear. For example, on product pages, archive pages, or both. If display is disabled here, the unit price may not appear, depending on the product settings. Now everything should be working correctly. If the product has the required data, and the visibility settings are correctly configured, the unit price will be shown automatically. This also applies to variable products. For variable products, open the Variations tab. Select a variation and check that it has the required data, such as weight. Repeat this for each variation if needed. To quickly recap, there are three main things to check when unit price is not showing. First, make sure the product has the required data, such as weight or dimensions. Second, check the visibility settings at product level. And third, review the global settings in WooCommerce to confirm where unit pricing is enabled. If all of these are correctly configured, the unit price will be displayed automatically. Take a moment to review these settings in your own store and make sure everything is set up correctly. That's how you fix the issue when unit price is not showing in WooCommerce using SDP price per unit for WooCommerce.